Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys, really quick, you're going to hear my son talking because I'm still out of town. But today is December. Today is December 27, 2022, and I am going to blow dry my hair today. I'm going to have my sister-in-law, Tiara, part my hair today, but I'm going to show you guys my blow drying process separately from the parting process because since my hair is going through changes, I don't like to try to cram so much information into just one video, and you guys know how I do. I do a lot of very detailed videos and how my hair is feeling and blah 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 blah. So this video that you're fixed to watch is going to be me blow drying my hair, and then the next video is going to be my sister-in-law parting my hair. And the reason why I want to document her parting my hair again is because when she parted my hair, I didn't have COVID. I got COVID 2 days later, and then I didn't experience the shedding until 3 months later in November. I got COVID July 2021, and then I experienced all the COVID shedding November 3rd, 2021. So it's a little over a year and 1 month kind of exact that she parted my hair before I lost all like 45% of the density of my hair. So yeah, I wanted to come in here and explain that, but this is how my hair is right now. I just had those 2 pigtails at the back, and then I took them and then put my hair into this low, I don't even know what you call this at the back of my head, but I'm going to wash my hair today, probably with the Trader Joe's conditioner or with apple cider vinegar. I'm not sure. I'll come back in here and let you guys know what I wash my hair with. I'm going to section it in 4 sections, and then I'm going to come back on here and blow dry my hair fully. Since I had my protective style in for 3 months, this will be my first time blow drying it after that. So I'm interested to see what my hair looks like. So yeah, that was a really long intro, but I wanted to explain what was. Okay guys, I know I probably look real washed out in my face, but I washed my hair with the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. I didn't use conditioner in my hair, but what I did use, y'all, my allergies is really bothering me, is the Bumble and Bumble hair dressing. Invisible oil is a heat protectant and a leave-in conditioner styler. So this is what I use because I am in Kansas right now. I actually like the way that it went on my hair, and this is how much hair I lost in the shower this time around. So you guys, not that much hair at all, which makes me very pleased. I have my hair up, I think it was like 2 or 3 days, but this is how much hair I lost, which is really nothing at all. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I sectioned my hair off in 4 sections, and I have a paddle brush, and I have my comb, I have a pattern brush, and then I have a rat tail comb. But what I blow dry my hair with is just the paddle brush, and then I'm gonna have my sister-in-law come down here and part my hair, and that's gonna be another video. I've been having this towel on my hair for about, it's not a towel, it's my shirt, but I've been having it on my hair for about maybe 30 minutes, and my hair is like damp, but it's not as dry as I normally have my hair. But I am going to get started blow drying my hair. Right now it is 1:15, and then I'll tell you guys how long it takes for me to blow dry my hair since the different density. And like I said, my nose is bothering me, so I am going to get started here in the front, and I'm going to try to be as gentle as possible. But this is how long this is how long my hair is. I know, like, it's grown a lot since I've cut it. back in August. I feel like I need to cut it again, but I'm not gonna trip. I'm not gonna do it. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. I need it to grow out a little bit longer, and then I'll cut maybe another 4 inches off of it. So this might be like a 2-year process of me cutting the length of my hair slowly. So I'm going to stop rambling and just start blow drying my hair. I do the tension method, and then when I feel like my hair is dry enough with the tension method, then I go in with the blow dryer. All of this will be sped up. So here we go. So this is my hair fully blow dried. My hair is already back at waist length. I cut my hair in August and it's December, like the end of December, and my hair is already back at waist length. I changed my shirt so you guys can see the length of my hair, but my hair was bra strap length when I cut it in August. And if I'm saying the wrong date, I'm gonna look back on my videos, but I'm gonna try to angle this down for y'all to see. So this is my hair, and you guys can see that I still need to cut off a lot of hair, but this is what it looks like from the front now. I feel like I still need to cut off about 10 inches of hair, but I'm gonna wait probably 6 to 8 months before I do another huge chop back up to my bra strap. But this is the front, and I'm sorry I don't have the shad on when I cut my hair. And y'all, I don't have a bra on, so excuse me. But as you guys can see, with me not even having on a bra, it is past my bra, and it's way past my armpit. This is my armpit right here, and this is how long my hair is with my neck straight. This is how long it is in the front, and then combing it to the back. And this is how much hair I've lost with the blow dry. And this is how long my hair is in the back. I promise you, if I were to straighten my hair, there will probably be no visual difference in my hair. So here is the bottom of my hair, and that is my waist. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I said this is the bottom of my hair, and this is my waist. The bottom of my hair is filling back in pretty well, but here is my hair, and this is where the smallest part of that's my waist. So I hope you guys can see that. I am back at waist length, and like I said before, all I've been using is my products. And seeing my hair on camera right now, I'm kind of like, okay, like, don't be so hard on yourself, you know? Like, your hair is getting thicker at the root, so it's looking different when I wash it. Because like I said, y'all, I dang near had an anxiety attack off in the bathroom when I had got all of my hair washed and detangled. But this is showing length. Yes, very much so. Am I going to straighten it? No, because it could probably be longer than waist length, but I'm going to be keeping it between waist length and bra strap length. So y'all know I was like reaching for the booty crack length hair, but you know, life happens, things happen with the COVID or whatever, and I'm just not gonna be there for probably another 2 or 3 years, because I'm gonna cut probably another, stop son, shh. I'm gonna cut probably another 10 inches off of my hair. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. I really wanted to show y'all the length of my hair after it's blowed out and what it looks like. I'm really actually proud of what my hair looks like, and I thank God that He is helping me grow my hair back, and He's given me the wisdom and the knowledge of knowing how to take care of my hair, and also formulating products that works for my hair. So yes, I'm gonna get off of here. The next video is gonna be my sister-in-law parting my hair, and I'm gonna put back on my black shirt because I'm gonna use the rubber band method like I did last time, but I'm not gonna go into that in this video. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.